Greetings from Källtorp Södra, another nudist beach in Stockholm region, located on Källtorp Lake in Nacka. And it is an amazing day today, 6th of August, is it? Yes, 6th of August, Wednesday, 2:30 p.m. And it seems like that the school has already started, and there is a lot more traffic on the roads compared to earlier. And this is Beach Adventures with Chris, and I'm showing you different beaches around Stockholm and in the world when I'm traveling, obviously. Today we have some sunshine, a bit of clouds. It was raining also, and to get here it took me 10 kilometers with my Scott gravel bike, and it was a nice ride indeed. And I'm going to be enjoying here in this lake, and not just going now for a dip first, but later I'm going to swim also, as I am in a row to swim at least 30 minutes every day. I was swimming a bit more when I was on the sea, but now I have shortened it from 60 minutes to 30, because when I was on the sea I was swimming 3 times 20. It is beach number 82, and we're gonna soon find out the temperature in the lake of Källtorp as well. So for that, it's time to embrace into a beach adventure here in Källtorp. So let's get going while the sun is still up. And here we have a very nice way in as well, and the water looks absolutely stunning and beautiful nature all around. I have been to this beach many times before, but I think this is only my second time this year actually. So it's gonna be nice. And yes, this is a unofficial spontaneous nudist beach that is marked as that on the Scandinavian tourist portal also as well, and it's located on the southern part of the lake Källtorp in Nacka. So with that said, let's then roll in. So I was swimming in this lake 1 week ago at another nudist beach that's on the north part of the lake. So now I'm on the very opposite side, and here you can also swim back and forth many times as well. As you can see, it's quite amazing, and it's quite beautiful also as well. All right, so are we ready for a swim in Lake Källtorp, on this Källtorpssjön, as I like to call it, because I am. So ready, set, and go! Whew. This is amazing. This is so beautiful. Pure nature overall, and very deep here where I am actually. Right next to the rocks. And we have 23 degrees Celsius in the lake. That is amazing. That's super nice. And it's gonna be perfect to go in for a swim here in the lake, for a longer swim, and just enjoy a nice day out on the lake. So the beach adventures with Chris continue as usual, and maybe tomorrow I will be heading back to the sea, but so far this week has not been delivering the best weather. It seems like the summer is over, because it's blowing a lot of wind also as well, but still 19 degrees, it's quite decent for this part of the year. And we are in August, so there's still plenty of months to enjoy out here in the beautiful nature in Sweden. So yeah, with this wonderful view of Källtorp nudist beach, Källtorpssjön, it's time for me to wrap up this episode and to enjoy more on this beautiful lake that you can see. It's so amazing and so beautiful. The water is so clean and nice, and it's gonna be a beautiful day here. Yet another one. So thank you so much then for watching this episode with me, and make sure to tune in for more fantastic beach adventures on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.